I have heard all of the excuses that people have for not making an estate plan or delaying the estate planning until sometimes it's too late. They might say, I'm too busy to go meet with a lawyer and spend time thinking about these tough decisions, but that person can probably tell you all of the Netflix shows that they're watching. They might say, this is going to cost a lot of money to pay a lawyer to do this the right way, even though the cost of not having a plan is much, much greater than the cost of having one. Think about the court costs that come up, the long-term care costs, money lost in taxes to the government, sometimes losing the family home to the government because of having no plan. I've seen all of these things happen. Sometimes people just don't want to think about getting sick or dying. Nobody wants to think about it, but it's going to happen. Most people get sick and need a higher level of care before they pass away. We're all going to die. So the question is, are you going to have a seamless transition of decision making? Are you going to have your family home and your money protected to stay in your family, or are you not? And it's really just a small investment of time and money to protect a whole lot more time of your family and money of your family. I'm Patrick Hawley with Keystone Elder Law in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and I'm going to put this bluntly. If you fail to plan, this might be the final act of meanness that you commit towards your family. I've seen this happen too, where the legacy left by somebody is one of frustration, one of confusion about why the smart person never made plans for the family to not have to go through a mess created by their illness and their passing away. If you've ever thought to yourself, well, I'm going to have dementia, I won't know about it. Or I'm going to die, I won't know about that mess. Consider whether that's a very selfish way of thinking. On the one hand, there's the person who protects property with a trust, has a power of attorney to make sure that decisions can be made even if they can no longer speak to the bank or the insurance company. They go so far as to have even their directions all written down for the family on where to find important documents, where to find accounts. Everything goes seamlessly even when that person gets sick and when that person passes away. They have a plan in case the adult children are going to be in conflict with each other. If there's been gifting during their life, they make it fair in their estate plan to avoid fighting in the family. On the other hand, there's the person who can't be bothered, and their legacy is fighting, money lost in taxes, a home is lost because of long-term care expenses. Which are you going to be, and what will your family think? Go to KeystoneElderLaw.com, read the articles that we have on many, many different topics that go into planning. Come and see us. Make a plan for your family.